students. Hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your story time. This is your entertainment time. And can you guess today's story? Okay, I will give you a hint. Can you see my hand? My fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I use my one finger, can I do work? Can I do any type of work? Can I do any type of work? I have to join my thumb with my index finger to write, right? So, if I am using my all 5 fingers, if I am joining my all 5 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it becomes a punch. That means strength has come into my hand. That means unity is strength. Right. Our today's story is unity is strength. So get ready to enjoy the story.
Once upon a time, there was a flock of doves. They flew from place to place in search of food, led by their king. One day, they had flown a long distance and were very tired. "We cannot fly any further," said the oldest dove. "Just a little more, then we can rest," said the king dove, urging them to fly a little further. The smallest dove of the flock picked up speed and flew ahead. "Look," he said happily, "there is something rice scattered under that big banyan tree." So all the doves flew to the banyan tree and landed under it. They gladly began to eat. After a while, the smallest dove tried to fly to another place, but he couldn't move his feet. Oh dear, his feet were caught in a net. The other doves tried to move their feet too, but they tumbled and fell over. "We all are trapped in a hunter's net," said the oldest dove. "What shall we do now?" The doves fluttered their wings hard, trying to get out, but they couldn't. "The hunter will catch us all," cried the smallest dove. When he saw the hunter walking towards him, the king had an idea. "Let us try and fly together," said the king. "At the count of 3, flap your wings together as hard as you can." So when the king dove counted 3, they all flapped their wings together. Soon the net began to rise. In a short time they were flying off, carrying the net with them. The hunter looked up in great surprise. He tried to follow them, but they were flying high over high and high and high. Then the doves flew to a forest nearby where a mouse lived. He was a good friend of them. In no time, the mouse nibbled the net and cut the entire net with his teeth and set them free. They happily thanked the mouse and flew away together. The moral of the story is unity is strength. Hope you have enjoyed this story, students. Thank you so much.